With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, in a given question, when a semiconducting material is doped with an impurity, new acceptor level are created in the particular thermal collision. A valence electron receives an energy equal to 2 kT and just reaches one of the acceptor level, assuming that the energy of the electron was at the top edge of valence band and that the temperature T is equal to 300 Kelvin. Find the energy of the acceptor level above the valence band. Okay, here valence band is there, and when electron is here, when electrons move from valence band to this, electrons move from here to valence band to this. Okay, this forms as a acceptor level. Okay, acceptor level. Okay, and the energy Eg is equal to, that energy Eg is equal to how much? 2 kT in question given. Okay, and this is happening due to thermal collision. Okay, thermal collision is equal to 2 kT is given here, and that is equal to Eg. Okay, now we will put the value. 2 into value of K is how much? 8.62 into 10 to the power minus 5 electron volt into 300 value of temperature T. Okay, when we simplify, 2 into 3, 6 into 100 into 8.62 into 10 to the power minus 5, or we can write it after multiply 8.62 into 6, it will be how much? 51 into 10 to the power minus 3, or we can write it 51 milli electron volt. Okay, this will be our final answer. Okay, 51 milli electron volt. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.